Alright, I'm back. See if I'm recording. Yes, I'm recording. Okay. I just opened this and it came with the container, a top, and this right here, this silicone filling thing, and it says fill with kernels. That's a lot. Seems like a lot of kernels. It says do not overfill. So fill this with kernels. Set this on the inside. It has a little holder you can hold to set it down in the inside of there. And put the top on so that you don't waste the kernels in here. And then put the top on. Let's see how tight the top goes on. Okay, the top doesn't snap. Top doesn't snap. So it's not on too tight. It's just on semi-snug. It's just on. It's on enough to where it's not coming off. Let's see. Okay. Then put it in the microwave. Okay. So because that print is so small, I have to come back and let you know how long it took. Unless you guys can see that. How long it takes to pop. Okay. So let me go see if I have some kernels.